chickadees, welcome to the back 40. It's Mama Juju and my Ladybug. Say hi, Ladybug.
Hi.
Put your hand down here and wave so I can see you. All right, I got my Stellabug with me. And we were doing the journal challenge for today. And today it is Junk Journal January. Can you say that?
Junk Journal January.
That's right, with Meg at Meg's Journals.
At Meg Journals.
Yeah, she's hosting it, isn't she? Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Okay, so we have today, which is the 4th.
4th.
And that one is a tuck spot. January the 4th is a tuck spot. A tuck spot.
Tuck spot.
That's right. And you watched Miss Catherine Maurer doing her special tuck spot, didn't you, to see what a tuck spot was?
Yes.
So, hey, Miss Kathy. Hey.
Hey, Miss Kathy.
Okay, so this is what we did. We took an envelope, just a junk mail envelope, that full of life on a budget, was inspired by Jennifer McGuire to make these. Okay, and what we did was we cut the end of it, took junk mail out, and then we cut the sides here, and it opened the flap up. Once we cut the sides and opened the flap up, I have another one over here. No? What'd you do with that one we cut up? Okay. When you open the flaps and you cut the flaps open, you have the window in this. Then you just fold this down to here. And if you want to make it shorter, you cut this one shorter than the back, and then you fold it up to just to the window. So you have the base here. Then on the back page, you fold this up, and it makes a pocket. And then at the top of the pocket, you're going to fold down about 1/4 of an inch here. Just 1/4 of an inch to give you a rim. And then you put 1/4 of an inch, a little bitty spot in it. And then you put it, fold it up here and glue it on the sides and make you a pocket. Then, when you get through, you can do your decoration like you want to. And then you have a flip up that has a see-through window and covers, and you got a pocket. Then you put it on your page, and you can also have a tuck spot here, right?
Right.
That makes our tuck spot. Okay, so what did we use to make all this with? Well, last time Stellabug was here, she worked and we made collages and stuff, and she made this collage. And she helped me, and we made this collage masterboard. So we took our 2 masterboards, didn't we? And we cut those up, and we used them to go on here for the decoration. So we put the brown bag of paper, packing paper around here and inked it up. That's right. And then we took a piece of the collage masterboard and cut to cover the top of the pocket up. And then Ladybug liked this little heart here. So
cute.
It was so cute, wasn't it? And then we put the lace behind it. And then when you open it up, we put some more of the masterboard back here. Cover that up and inked it. And then here, we took her collage piece that she did here and put back behind here to cover that up. And we took another piece and put down here for the pocket. And then she also made, we got a few left. Last time, she made some snippet rows with me. Where's that back here? Right back here. There you go. This is what's left of what we were using today. But she had made a little snippet roll. That's what's left out of it. We know about used up, didn't we? She made this little snippet roll. And so we took the little snippet pieces and cut off and used it for here for a little collage piece on the pocket. And we also just put a focal point. So you can see this. Huh?
I like it. It's pretty.
You like it? It's pretty. And then we took one piece that was on the collage board and made a little tag and took some little lace off her little snippet row and put on here. And then that goes in the pocket there. And then back behind our tuck spot, we have a little journaling card. And that's one of Kim's little darlings that she has, one of her little pretties, beauties, that she has on her website. And her link is down in my comments below. You can go over there to her coffee shop and get that. I believe that may be one of the freebies. If not, she has something like this in the freebies.
It is so adorable.
Is it adorable? She does a good job, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Well, we did this together with a microprint, if y'all remember. So we cut that master board up to make a journaling spot card to go in the tuck spot behind here. So that is our art journal prompt for today to make our tuck spot.
Tuck spot.
Tuck spot. And a tuck spot is just a little spot that you can tuck something in and hold, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And hold it for you. So look at you, so polite. Okay, so that is all we did for today. So you want to tell them bye-bye? Bye-bye, love you.
Bye, love you.
Say, hey, Nene, bye, Nene.
Hey, Nene, bye, Nene. What is Nene watching?
Yeah, Nene watching.